Plug Power reported second quarter earnings results, which I'm going to review in this video here. I'm also going to update my recommendation for Plug Power stock. Coming into this report, I had Plug Power stock rated as a hold, and so you're going to want to tune in to see if I'm updating that recommendation. So let's get right into it, starting with revenue, which increased by 72% to 260 million. However, the net loss worsened to 236 million from 173 million. The good news is that the net loss increased by less than the revenue increased, which reduced that negative net loss margin. Plug's Georgia green hydrogen plant is under final commissioning and it expects to reach 17.5 tons per day of production on site during the third quarter of 2023. I'll show you a slide more with its progress in ramping up production of green hydrogen. In the first 6 months of 2023, cash flow from operations worsened to a negative 625 million compared to a negative 405 million during the same time the previous year. Plug is in a relatively decent position with cash, with over 579 million in cash on hand and another 437 million in available for sale securities. So it's in no urgent, desperate situation to need cash. But if it keeps going at this pace of losing money on the bottom line, losing cash flow, then it will be only a matter of time until it needs to go back to investors and say, give us more money yet again. So here is their US green hydrogen network, and I already mentioned the Georgia plant, which is under commissioning and target full production in the third quarter 2023, although this company has been plagued with delays, so that remains to be seen. And then the next one coming online is the Louisiana plant, hopeful for the first quarter of 2024, and then the New York and Texas plant have been moved out to 2024 for full production. And the slower this production comes online means the higher Plug Power has to pay for the hydrogen, and so by bringing these sites online, it gets to produce at a lower cost and thereby hopefully reducing its net loss and net cash outflow. So to update my recommendation for Plug Power stock, I'm keeping it rated where it was as a hold. I cannot recommend this stock as a buy just yet. I need to see more progress in its ramping up of production. I need to see progress in lessening those cash outflows from operations and continued progress reducing that net loss on the bottom line. But that's all I've got for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.